Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on REALME Narzo 70. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and now click on system, then click on reset phone and click on clear all data permanently, and now click on clear all data, and you have to enter your lock screen pattern and then click on erase all data. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.